Ignoring public transport etiquette. Public transportation in Japan isn't just a way to get from place to place. It's a reflection of Japanese culture emphasizing order and respect. When you step onto a train, you'll notice an almost reverent silence. Talking on the phone is frowned upon, and loud conversations are a no-go. Travelers often find the tranquility striking, especially in bustling cities like Tokyo. This isn't just politeness, it's an unspoken rule of respect for others' personal space. Another thing to watch out for is seating. Priority seats, marked for the elderly, disabled, pregnant women, or those with small children, are not for general use, even if the train is crowded. And if you're carrying a bag or backpack, keep it close to you to avoid bumping into others, or better yet, place it on the luggage rack. Eating and drinking on public transport is another taboo, particularly on local trains and buses. While it's okay on long-distance Shinkansen rides, keep it tidy and discreet. If you accidentally make a mess, clean it up right away. These small actions reflect a level of mindfulness that locals deeply appreciate. Following these unspoken guidelines not only helps you blend in, but also shows your respect for Japanese culture. Embracing these norms allows you to experience Japan the way locals do, in a way that's both authentic and harmonious.